All right, guys. Remember yesterday we just made our website. So let's go over here to affiliatemarketingmark.com and we'll come over here to the let's go right here. I put some content up there, got some nice little, and it looks okay, but it looks like, I don't know. There's nothing, kind of boring looking, so we need to add a little bit more pizzazz to it, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna find a theme that you like. Now, WordPress is so excellent because it's free to use, open source, but you're gonna have to find a theme that does what you want it to do. It has, like it works on mobile phone and it works on a desktop, and it has that it changes dynamically. So let's go over to something I like to use. I use it every single day of my life, me and all my marketing crew here. So let's go over to elements.envato.com. So elements.envato.com. I'll put the link in the description, don't worry. And what they do, they have a bunch of stuff in here. You pay like a small fee per month or something, whatever it is, I don't know. But they got like stock videos, they got like photos and graphics and stuff you can use for your thumbnails. I mean, they got everything here free. So what we're gonna do, or should I say for download, we're gonna go over here, we're gonna go over to WordPress and just type in, let's say if it's a chiropractor. I'm not that, let's just say that. And let's just look at this. All these themes coming up. Look, chiropractor. It's just like you download it, upload it, and it's done. Okay, so I like using a lot of videos. So I'm going to go to there. I think it's right here. I like using this one. And I'm going to go ahead and download this. Tell it what project. Now I'm downloading the theme to my website. And basically all we're going to do is apply the theme to I'm downloading to my computer. Then I'm going to upload to the website, and it's just basically gonna do something. It's really easy. Just hold on. It sounds a little bit complicated, but it's not. All right, view, show in folder. Where is it at? Come on, show in folder. There it goes, right there. All right, extract all and extract. Give it a second. All right, boom. All right, so now we go over to affiliatemarketingmark.com and we go to the dashboard. So dashboard right here, okay? We go over to themes. Easy as that. It's under appearance, okay? Go to themes and we're gonna say add new. Now, we're going to go ahead and upload theme right there. Choose the file. And let's open here. So let me just, remember that file we just downloaded. So we go here, found it here. Now, it should be a zip file. Now, don't unzip that file. Well, let me reframe this a little bit. So it's going to come down as a zip file. Then you extract it. You extract it as, all the documents. But there's going to be one file in there that's not unzipped, and it's going to be this one. Okay, the reason why is you upload the zip, but not the one you downloaded. It's kind of a little bit confusing there. So you download the theme, you unzip it, but there will be one folder in there that's not zipped. And now you take that one folder and you upload it to your website, your WordPress website. So here we go right here. Take that, open there. There it says, okay, you want to upload that theme? No problem. Choose file and install now. Give it a second, literally a few seconds, and this is so cool. Installing the theme from uploaded, activate. Now you got to activate it, okay? Just you got to make sure to activate. Activate. And that's it. That's really it. So now let's just go over and let's see if it works now. See if Alan knows what he's talking about. Boom, there it is. And so now it makes it look a lot better, and it's not perfect. We have to go in there and we got to change a couple of things. But it's a start. Now you have to go to customizations, okay? You're going to have to go in here and you're going to have to go under customize and change a lot of the little settings. But the thing about WordPress, the way it works, is it's just like configurations, going through the configurations and setting it, okay? We're gonna get there, but this video specifically was how to find a theme for your WordPress website and apply it. So in summary, all we did is we went to elements.envato.com. I have the link in the description. Okay, go there. You find you a theme that works well on both a mobile phone and a desktop. Okay, then you download whatever theme and then of course you find a theme that kind of works with you, because it alleviates a lot of the stress that you have to go. See, if you're a doctor, or if you own a taxi cab, or you're an online business, or you sell server space, try to find something that works, that's for you and your profession, the services that you offer, because it's gonna have a lot of verbiage in there that's already done. You're not gonna have to. It's gonna have a lot of images that are already done. So once you find that, you download the zip file, you unzip it, but there will be one file there's going to be one folder that you do not unzip, and then you go up to your WordPress website, you go to themes and add new, and you upload that one folder that you didn't unzip. Then you activate it. Easy as that. If you found this video, if at all, valuable, and it saved you time, saved you money, please hit the thumbs up. I'll see you guys. Make sure to hit the subscription and the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.